Hey, Matthew, Freedom Home Services here. Hope you guys are doing well. Doing another beautiful pre-drywall inspection. Wanted to show you one thing with the dryer vent piping. Now, we don't inspect to code because we are not code enforcement officials, but we do have a general understanding and knowledge of the code. And, so with everything I say, check with your local code official and make sure that this is according to their standards. But in our area, 35 feet is the maximum run for a dryer vent piping. So you see our dryer vent here, and I'm kind of peeking through the studs to kind of show you where it goes. But you can see it goes up. These are 9-foot ceilings. And if you follow it, it actually goes out through the master bathroom and out the left side of the home. So in measuring this, it comes to about 38 feet. And the way that you measure a dryer vent pipe is it's obviously 1-for-1, vertical or horizontal. Any 90-degree angle, you add 5 feet. So this actually has 2 90-degree angles. If you have a 45-degree angle, 2.5 feet. That's how you come up with your dryer vent pipe measurement. So this exceeds the allowable standards, and really 35 feet, you really need a high efficiency dryer. A lot of people move in with dryers that they brought from a previous home, and those don't necessarily work or push air out that is 35 feet. Previous code was actually 25 feet. So anyway, very important to get a pre-drywall inspection, of course, as I always mention, but very important to make sure that your dryer vent pipe doesn't exceed the allowable standards because it can trap lint, and this is a fire safety hazard. So hopefully that was very helpful, and please like and subscribe. Click that little bell so you can get more notifications when you see a new video pop up. Hopefully these are helpful. Thanks.